Let's talk about how to create $1 million baby. Guys, did you know that you could have changed your projection of your kid's future by simply saving 50 bucks a week, $200 a month? Can you imagine if our parents would have sat down with a personnel that's a financial educator or some kind of advisor or anything, and he was to advise them and said, hey, put this money in an S&P 500 where you could just put away extra 200 bucks a month. Do you know that by the age of 65 years old, they would have over $1.5 million if they just earn as low as 6.8%? Now, how do I know this? It's because I just recently put together a strategy like that for a client of mine where he's saving actually 200 bucks a month for his 3-year-old son. And by his age 65, he'd have over $1.5 million of tax-free money, and his child would then still be worth over $2 million as far as death benefit, which he would be able to have access to borrow against and use a surrender cash value as well, all tax-free strategy. And this is undermining what the market return is at 8%, and this is on a projection if the market only performed at a 6.8%. So you got to think about this and wonder, right? Why our families didn't learn about this? Why is nobody teaching this? Well, let me tell you something. Wealthy people all know it. And it's our job to learn it as well, because wealthy people set up their kids as early as 14 days old and start putting money in a life insurance for them so that way they can start winning the money game. It's we need to learn how to do the difference. And one of the things I want to learn and I want to teach you guys is how to stop making poor decisions. Now, poor is not a financial status, poor is a mindset. We need to stop passing over opportunities repeatedly to keep learning and putting ourselves in a position to keep on earning. So that's the reason why I want to empower you, so that way you could avoid poverty through not being poor. All right? So that's why I want to show you guys how to continue winning the money game. Our children need us to continue being rich, wealthy, and open-minded, so that way we could keep winning the money game. I see you at the top. Keep winning.